Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 9, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayon June 9, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mababasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, June 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 9, 2024, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 48 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 65 million pesos for Sunday, June 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 9, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.